I became pregnant maybe within like a week after the divorce was final. But it's
It's
not
not.
like a home DNA test. I got you.
Yeah, because you could get it from anybody,
Okay.
get it from the dog and do the DNA test, and I wouldn't know. Versus Barron's, um, both parties are present via Zoom. This is a motion filed by the uh, plaintiff to find that a child was born out of wedlock, that being Scarlett. The parties have been divorced for a period of time. Apparently, at the time of the divorce, she was pregnant and maybe didn't even know it. So that when the court, I'm assuming the court asked if you were pregnant, probably said no. And now has filed a ROPA motion to find that Scarlett is not an issue of the marriage, because as of now, technically, defendant would be the legal father. Um, am I correct in what I've said, ma'am?
Yeah, somewhat. I became pregnant maybe within like a week after the divorce was final. And then she was born early. She was born about a month early.
Uh, so how do we? I mean, if you became pregnant after you were divorced, then this isn't a question. Who's making it a question?
Child support, the front of the court, child support said that because the law in Michigan, I guess, states if a child is born within 10 months of a divorce, that the child legally belongs to the ex-husband,
Never
apparently.
heard that, but all I can really do at this point is order a quick DNA test. Do you guys just cooperate, please? Do a DNA test. Get it to me when it comes through that you're not the father. We'll meet back here, you file a motion, and I'll find that you're not the father.
Sure.
Cooperate with it.
Where would we do a DNA test?
We'll get you we'll get you an order. I don't know where exactly it is to go. I'm trying to think where we've had others. You can probably contact the civil division of the Kent County Prosecutor's Office. That's where they send people and ask them where they go to get that. I have to have a DNA test to show that he's not the father.
Sure.
And we do it all the time. I don't send people to a direct place. I just tell them they got to get a DNA test, but it can't be one from home or something because who knows who did it. Okay, we have to
Right.
have some kind of a facility do it.
Okay.
Um, there'll be a cost, ma'am. It's going to be your cost at this point. If it comes back that he's the father, then I'll make it his cost. But um,
It won't.
I'm sure it won't. I'm sorry I have to go through this, but the law says I shall um, enter that uh,
Sure.
on there. So let's just get it done. Get done in a hurry. Submit the report to me and
Okay.
renotice this. Just renotice it when you get it back. And we'll have both of you on. I'll ask you if you've had any relationship with the child or whatnot. No. And I'll probably find then the child's born out of wedlock and not a part of
Okay.
this marriage. All
So
right.
when we get the DNA test done and we get the results, then I have to submit those to the court when I file the new motion.
Yeah, and like I say, you don't even have to file a new motion. If you I'm trying to save you money, okay?
Sure.
So you'd have to, uh, the motion would have to be filed and it'd cost you, okay? So just renotice this motion and set it and send in the appropriate DNA test.
Okay. And that, sorry, I have another question because that DNA test could be done at like a diagnostic center.
I'm sure that it
Okay.
can.
Okay.
I have to have somebody who knows that in fact he showed up and he gave a DNA test.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Just
it's
not
not,
like a home DNA test. I got you.
yeah, because you could get it from anybody,
Okay.
get it from the dog and do the DNA test and I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Sir, sorry you gotta go through this. It'll be the last thing. Hopefully you have to go through and this all you guys have kids together, so you
Sure.
still, you still get along. I don't
Sure.
know if you get along, but you still have to do this.
Getting
Good
there.
luck. Okay, we'll send you out an order to both of you for the DNA test and just get
Okay.
it done and be over with it. Good luck. Thank
Thank you.
you.